Car troubles, like a flat tire or smoke coming from your engine, can pop up out of nowhere and hit you with some hefty repair costs. Sounds stressful, right? But there's a way to avoid getting caught off guard financially. That's where having the right car insurance comes in handy. It might not be the most exciting thing to think about, but it's definitely one of the most important. Knowing the ins and outs of car insurance coverage can save you from turning a small hiccup into a major financial headache. In this video, we'll outline everything you need to know to make picking the right insurance that much simpler. You'll learn the basics of car insurance policies and what different providers bring to the table. But understanding your options and learning how to compare them, you'll feel more confident about getting coverage that fits your needs and budget perfectly. We'll walk you through why car insurance is essential, the types of coverage you should know about, and key tips to help you find the best deal out there. And here's the best part. Visit our website, autoinsurance.org, where you can take advantage of our free tool that gives you a list of quotes directly from top providers in your zip code. If you need more info before you get quotes, we understand. That's what we are here for. Let's go over the types of car insurance available so you know exactly what you need and what you can skip. The post-COVID economy has tightened household budgets. On average, Americans are juggling $104,000 of debt. And this financial pressure is tempting some people to skip out on auto insurance, even though nearly every state, except New Hampshire, requires car insurance. Around 12.6% of drivers in the US are currently driving without it. Skipping car insurance might seem like a way to save money, but you risk paying much more in the long run. If you're uninsured and cause an accident, you're on the hook for medical bills, car repairs, and even legal costs. Plus, getting caught driving uninsured comes with fines, a suspended license, and a whole lot of legal trouble. The long-term headaches and costs definitely outweigh any short-term savings from skipping insurance. And you can save on car insurance, so it's not such a burden. Visit autoinsurance.org and try our free quote comparison tool to save you hundreds this year. It's a quick and easy way to check rates from top providers and the only way to really know you found the best deal possible. But to help you make the right decision and find out what you really need, let's unpack the different kinds of coverage you can get. Liability, collision, and comprehensive are the big three when it comes to car insurance coverage. Most states require drivers to carry liability coverage. This type of insurance offers financial protection for accidents you cause and covers other people involved, like passengers, pedestrians, or cyclists. Collision insurance isn't legally required anywhere, but you'll definitely appreciate having it. It steps in when you're driving responsibly but still in an accident. Regardless of who's at fault, collision coverage helps make the whole process quicker and less stressful. Another smart choice is comprehensive insurance. This protects your car from theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Think of it as having a safety net for unexpected events. Figuring out how much all these options will cost can feel like a real headache. But that's where autoinsurance.org comes to your rescue. With our free and easy-to-use comparison tool, you'll get access to quotes from multiple top providers all in one convenient place. The best part, it only takes a few minutes to see what's available and find a policy that fits your budget and needs. Now that you're familiar with the basic types of auto insurance, let's take a closer look at one in particular, comprehensive coverage. Why focus on this? Because we want to highlight just how valuable it can be when dealing with something like theft. If your car is parked in your driveway or on the street and someone steals your Cadillac converter, having comprehensive car insurance can really save the day. Cadillac converter theft has skyrocketed. The National Insurance Crime Bureau reports that cases went from 1,300 to over 52,000 in just 3 years. Why is this part such a hot target? It doesn't have a vehicle identification number, and the metals inside, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, are quite valuable. With comprehensive insurance, you can file a claim to cover stolen car parts. Without it, you're stuck paying $2,500 to replace a Cadillac converter. This shows just how important comprehensive coverage is for unexpected events and hefty expenses. So, are you now thinking about adding comprehensive coverage? Let autoinsurance.org make it simple for you. Just pop in your zip code in our free quote generator, answer a few questions, and get quotes from different companies at the same time. It's fast, free, and makes finding the right insurance hassle-free. But there's more you need to know. The smartest move you can make is to pair comprehensive coverage with liability and collision insurance, creating what's known as full coverage. Want to know why it's worth it? Keep watching. Choosing a full coverage car insurance policy gives you the best protection for both you and your vehicle. It combines liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage into one plan, providing broad protection against accidents, theft, and even natural disasters. Full coverage offers a much bigger safety net than just basic liability insurance. Plus, bundling different types of coverage could save you money with package deals. On average, full coverage costs $119 per month in the US, but prices can differ quite a bit depending on where you live. For example, Michigan has the highest full coverage rate at $238 per month, while Idaho has the lowest at $77 per month. This shows how important it is to shop around for the best rates in your area. Find the best price for full coverage without the hassle at autoinsurance.org. Our simple, free comparison tool can help you get quotes from multiple insurance companies, saving you time and stress. So what are you waiting for? Let autoinsurance.org be your one-stop shop for finding the perfect insurance squad to keep your car safe and sound. Now, what if you're driving for Uber or Lyft? Is full coverage enough? Let's talk about rideshare insurance, which is a special kind of coverage just for drivers like you. Rideshare insurance is specifically designed for drivers working with companies like Uber and Lyft. Most personal car insurance policies won't cover accidents that happen while you're driving for a rideshare service. Rideshare insurance fills this gap, providing coverage during those in-between times, like when you're waiting for a ride request and while you have the passengers in the car. With rideshare insurance, you can feel confident knowing you're protected at every stage of your rideshare journey, from turning on the app to dropping your passengers off. And since not all insurers offer this type of coverage, it's a good idea to explore your options. One simple way to do this is by visiting autoinsurance.org. There, you can compare rates and find a rideshare insurance policy that's just right for you. Just plug in your zip code in our free quote generator, reply to a few prompts, and find the perfect rideshare insurance policy in a flash. You can do all of this without the hassle of constant calls, emails, or sales tactics. It's quick, free, and makes finding coverage easier than ever. Now, there are some great add-ons to standard car insurance that you might not know about, but could definitely come in handy. Let's go over medical payments and guaranteed auto protection insurance next. Car insurance goes beyond basic liability, collision, and comprehensive policies. Add-on coverage provides extra layers of protection that can make a big difference. One option is medical payments insurance, MedPay for short, which takes care of medical bills for you and your passengers after an accident, covering ambulance rides, hospital stays, physical therapy, and even MRIs or CAT scans. Another valuable add-on is guaranteed auto protection, GAP insurance. GAP coverage is especially helpful if you're financing a newer car that depreciates quickly. It covers the difference between what you owe on your loan and the vehicle's current market value if it's totaled in an accident. These add-on lines of coverage give you a more complete insurance plan that safeguards your finances. To find the right policy, click over to autoinsurance.org. Our free comparison tool connects you with quotes from your area's top providers, making it easy to find the best coverage for your needs. One coverage that may fit your needs is usage-based auto insurance, designed to reward safe drivers with lower insurance rates, which could lower your rate by 30%. Want to learn more? Alright, here's the scoop. Usage-based insurance, or UBI, is a cutting-edge option for auto coverage that adjusts your premium based on how you actually drive, rather than just considering standard factors like age or location. It uses a telematics device or a mobile app to track details such as how often you drive, your speed, braking habits, and the times you are on the road. This approach provides tailored coverage that could lead to savings of 30% or more, though it does involve sharing your driving data with your insurance provider. Each program is unique, so it's important to know the details before signing up. Just keep in mind, UBI is an excellent choice for safe and occasional drivers, offering a chance to cut costs while encouraging better driving habits. To find the most affordable rates and learn more about this option, start your search with our website at autoinsurance.org and see how simple it is to match your coverage to your driving style. So there you have it. We've talked about how car insurance protects you from uninsured drivers, the financial risks of not having coverage, and the variety of policies available. like liability, collision, comprehensive, rideshare, MedPay, gap, and usage-based insurance. For more in-depth insights and to compare policies, make sure to check out our website at autoinsurance.org. Use our powerful quote generator tool to make shopping for car insurance easy so you can find the best deals tailored to your needs. Just enter your zip code to get started. If this video helped you navigate the wild world of car insurance, then be sure to smash that like button. Your likes just let us know you're enjoying the content and want to see more. Also, feel free to leave a comment, whether you have questions for us or want to share your experiences about certain types of car insurance coverage. Now, do you know someone searching for car insurance? Send this video their way, because who wouldn't benefit from expert tips on getting the best out of their policy? And if you want more tips on all things insurance, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty of helpful advice coming your way. For instance, did you know that personal auto insurance often won't cover you while working as a delivery driver? Be sure to check out our video on this key topic to ensure you're properly protected while on the job. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you at the next one.